That jam lesson that we go to, they said the man was just teaching us. I swear, it's very interesting. Hey, I wanted to ask you guys, which school do people choose again? Jam.
My own.
Okay, you choose UNILAG. Sharp. UNILAG. I swear, UNILAG.
Me, I'm going to LASU. Babe, you're going to there.
UNILAG for what now? Sharp. UNILAG for life.
UNILAG for life.
No, you come to LASU. Our 4 years relationship.
LASU is not bad. You can go to LASU. We that we are going to UNILAG, come to this place. We are the UNILAG boys. I swear,
LASU is not bad now.
Yeah, me, I'll get 400 in my jam. What will you get in the jam?
Me, I'll get 455.
455.
Yes, they'll not cheat me, and that's I get 400.
UNILAG boys.
Logged in for books.
One eternity later.
Hello, Afana.
Hello?
How are you?
I'm good though.
Okay.
Abi?
Sorry, which school do you find yourself now? Which school do you find yourself?
I'm now in Ilao
Poly.
Yes.
You go far. I swear to God, you go far.
Oh, see, jam me gone.
Which course are you now studying?
Childhood education.
Childhood education. Jesus Christ of Ijebudi. You go far. I think say you and your baby choose this. I think say you and your baby choose LASU that time. Now.
See, it is well, Sha.
Okay, you no go again now.
We'll meet in a greater,
Yeah, now. Go far. I even call this guy self.
For 2026,
Who is this?
I found out my bro. Other side.
Bonjour.
Bonjour, bro. You want me? I be the talk now, bro.
Who be this?
And I KP now. I KP the talk.
Oh, KP. How you be now? Outside.
It's up now.
Come on, brother. I just deal.
Okay. I just want to ask you. Should be that time you all chose UNILAG. Which school do you find yourself now?
School, guy. Na Jigawa Poly. Now I deal like this.
Jigawa Poly.
I swear.
Jigawa Poly, bro. I think now UNILAG you choose now.
I don't try LASU. I try UNILAG. I don't try like 5 school. Jam just the jam me. Na Jigawa na I deal like this, brother.
That one go far. Go far. I don't feel like for it. Go far. Child. Which course you can't study like this?
Na medicine and surgery I been plan, but by the grace of God I dey study French.
French?
Yes, brother, I dey study French like this.
Boss until. Au revoir.
Yes, au revoir.
Boss until, guy. Boss until.
We are now go the jam.
Boss until.
What the KP this? Hello, KP. How you be now?
I found alone. How you doing now?
Guy, don't tell.
I your side now.
I be our life now.
Which school you can't find yourself like this? Because I don't call some people and they tell me this thing.
Now you polytechnic I deal. You see that time, now you like everybody want to do that time, but the matter for be like this, just don't show us again now.
You see waiting. They say rice for the USC Polytechnic.
Nah, USC Poly I did now. I don't get choice.
You go far, I said. Jam does you jump everybody, You go far, I said.
Everywhere good now, everywhere good.
That is me now. It's me. Come and open door now.
Keep your money. I told to be bad girl. I be now. Now keep the talk. I said. You don't care. I said. Everywhere good. You know the matter now. Everywhere come on now. What is up? I want to ask you. You know say we've been choosing the like that year. This school you can't do like this. This school I did. Yeah, you don't do those songs. How you did now? Talk now, you shall be say. School I did. Tell me now, you don't want to talk in the quiz. Now this thing. Tell me the name of your school now, you did mad. Nursing school, yeah. Okay, you did nursing school.
But I fishy I study for that side.
You did study fishery for nursing school.
I fishy I study, yeah.
Then
I fishy, yeah.
You go far.
But I did chop fish, yeah. I don't dey chop fish.
Okay.
One of my guys said, tell me I don't be like fish, yeah. Where you dey now?
I'm on a long story. I don't fit talk am.
Where you dey?
I'm on no worry, my bro. No worry.
Yeah,
later.
Poor man pikin, they see something. So much poor man pikin cry. I know the last comment of a fool. I die. The last comment of a fool. They say I know before.